Fish on. First fish on the new reel. Second fish of the day. Little rock bass. Cute. I was going for a little a little sucker. I don't know what kind exactly, because that'd be a new species. I've never caught a sucker, but you know, still a good, pretty fish. But I got this new reel last night. It's a Lose, I think, carbon fire or something. But it's really nice. Seems to be working well. I tested it out in my yard last night with a little fake thingy. Cast well, very smooth, so I'm pretty excited to catch something semi-big on it and then use it for catfish one of these days, and bigger bass this weekend. But today I'm just targeting fish with my friend who's currently in the bathroom. I'm taking my sister to the bathroom. But yeah, we're tired. Just wanted to get him out fishing. It's his first time, and then have my sister Becca out there catch some stuff for me to test my new reel and catch some nice fish. Have some fun. Haven't been down the Wissahickon for a while. There's some trout around and lots of little smallmouth bass, like one largemouth I saw. And another fish on. Just a little rock bass. A little bigger. Already caught 30 fish. Only been here for a little while, so can't complain with that. So yeah, another fish on. Ooh, a little acrobat. Smallmouth bass. Things it's cast after cast fish. That's definitely a good sign. Well, new reel's performing very well. And there goes a little another fish on. Little very micro smallmouth bass. What's up? Fish on. Oh, smallmouth bass. A little bigger than the last one. Smallmouth. There he goes. Fish on. Yeah. Smallmouth bass. Number I don't even know. Lots of tiny ones all over the place. Very bad release. Friend David has his first fish on. Oh, so do I. I have another fish. What's this? I can't even. It's caught a nice smallmouth now. Yeah. Wait. This is a large. Wait. This might be this is a spotted, I think. Let's see. Can I get a picture with it? Yeah, you can get a picture. I have no idea what this is. And that's either a largemouth or a spotted.
I don't want to touch it, but I'll throw it. I'll throw it in. No, I'll throw it.
Got a little tooth patch on his. You know, no. Nope. You know, even.
Jackson, can you get a picture of
yeah. Here, hold him closer to you. Here. Hold your rod. Hold your rod like a. That's a nice fish. Here, like a. Hold the line above him, like by the weight.
Huh?
Hold that weight, right there. There. There's David's fish. That's a nice bass. I got you.
Can I see the picture?
Yeah, wait. There we go. There's David's bass. There we go. Oh, it's fast. Now I gotta figure out what this is. It's either a largemouth or a spotted. I can't tell. Hold that. I'll show. So I'm gonna let him go. He must be a spotted. Yeah. I'll revive him a little bit. There he goes. Good to go. Oh, we got a big bluegill. Alright, wait. Look at the size. Whoa! That is a slab. Whoa. Becca, look at the size of this bluegill. Jeez. It's a huge fish. Come over here. I will in a minute. Alright, this is huge.
What's the name of the fish I caught?
Smallmouth bass.
Smallmouth.
Okay. Becca wants to release the fish. This thing is huge.
Have you ever kept anything?
Trout.
You eat them or?
Yeah.
My hands are
I've kept
really
stuff for my
wet
fishing.
for you. Oh, that's huge.
The hook is so tiny. Let's see.
You're okay, buddy.
He'll be okay.
I like everything about fishing except the game.
Let me throw him in deep.
Okay. Becca wants to release this little pretty big fella. Right, when she goes. You're on video. Oh, she wants to throw him. Way to throw a beautiful fish. Well, there he goes. On. Little smallmouth bass. Very pretty. Give him a little release. Caught this little bluegill. It's weird. I never really catch that many bluegill around here. But there's a lot. Sweet guys, Becca just caught her fish. Becca, what species of fish is this?
Rock bass.
Right. See, Becca knows her fish.
Ooh,
And
the line's still on.
he's not going to get away from Becca. Fish catcher
Becca
Becca.
the hero.
Oh. Wait, we're going to get a picture with you. That's awesome. And she casted it all. Oh! Uh-oh.
Can I?
No, you're not going anywhere, little fish. You're gonna have to hold him, Good job, Beck. Now let's go for the release. There he goes. Give me a high five. It was so awesome. Now drop it back down and catch another one. Got a nice fish on. Yo, look at that fish. Don't let him get away. She just caught this awesome smallmouth bass. Her first ever smallmouth bass.
First?
Yeah, you've never caught a smallmouth. All right. I'm gonna teach you how to hold a bass. Look. There he is. Put your thumb in his mouth. It's okay. He's not gonna hurt you. He's not gonna hurt you. Look how I do it. Watch.
His teeth.
It's not gonna hurt. I promise. I promise you, it doesn't hurt. Go like that. Beautiful.
Why?
Do you want to just hold him the normal way? Like that?
Why do you have to hold him that way?
Just because that's how I like to hold bass. Alright, now let's let him go. Let's go for the release.
Beautiful.
There he goes. Awesome. 2 casts in a row. No. Another fish. Third fish of the day. It was a green sunfish.
3 casts in a row.
3 different kinds of fish. She's caught a green sunfish. This is her first ever green sunfish. Let's get a picture with this green sunfish. Put your hands out. Take a picture of her with her green sunfish.
This spike's for a bit.
Did you know it was a green sunfish?
This spike's for a
Let him go. And there he goes. Fish on. A little bluegill.
You can release.
I know.
Yeah.
Me. There we go. Oh, whoop, there he goes now. Catch some more. I'm leaving pretty soon, so let's see how many I can on. Let's see. Oh, there's bluegill. Pretty big. Some big bluegill here. There he goes. Fish on. Had a little smallmouth. Lost a little smallmouth.